guys, what's up? Welcome back to a brand new video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make 5-minute microwavable mug cakes. These mug cakes are absolutely moist and delicious. They need no eggs, and the best part, you can make it in your microwave with ingredients you probably have at your house. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started.
Your relationships are never meant to last. All the feelings that we shared are in the past. Relationships are never meant to last. It might take some time, but I'll be alright. I'm moving on, I'm moving on. I know times are tough, but I've had enough. I'm moving on, I'm moving on. Moving on.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah. Better off, better off. I am wicked, you're insane. But I wouldn't have it any other way. If we're knocked out, we'll go the distance. Pound for pound, we're a perfect match. Pulling punches, we're toe to toe, we're always on the road.